Go Birds. Let's get the food ready for the Super Bowl tonight. I'm gonna be making chicken wings and sliders. I think I'm gonna do honey barbecue wings and Parmesan garlic. So let's go. We have some friends coming over. They're bringing some other things. I'm gonna start by seasoning all my wings in this giant bowl. I always have to wash my chicken just because I'm weird about it. So I don't think I'm gonna make this whole bag, but let's grab some. I'm gonna wash these. Hey, I'm gonna gently pat these dry. I'm gonna go in with avocado oil, a bunch of garlic powder. Ozzy always has to go outside when I'm doing things. Pepper. Mix these suckers up. This shit is so gross. I love wings, but I hate raw chicken. It's so nasty. Preheat the oven if you didn't before. I should have done that already. We're gonna throw these babies in because it's gonna take them a good hour to cook good and crispy. And then I'm gonna store them in crock pots. Now we have the sliders. Double the recipe to make double the sliders. No, it's my coffee pods. Oh, that's how you know you have an addiction. All right, these can be kind of hard to cut, so you want to cut along the outside. Open your buns. The beef on to the buns as best as you can. $3.25. I'm just going to use American slices and just lay cheese all over the top.
I can help you with this too.
Okay. You can use whatever cheese you want, but I think American is the best. I'm not going to do any makeup. So you're going to spread a little mayo. Ooh. Big scoop of butter. Big scoop of garlic. I'm gonna add some parsley to the mix. We're gonna just brush this butter mix over the buns. And then we're gonna top it off with sesame seeds. This is what it looks like. So yummy. We're gonna bake this. We're gonna bake this for 20 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it. It's a little hot. Good. So we got our sliders and then wings. Go Birds!
Can you pretend your thumb is a little mouse?
Right now. I let her see it.
Go Eagles!